Hello everyone, welcome to Biomitra. In this video, we will discuss about carbohydrates, their introduction and their classification. This is the part 1 of introduction and classification of carbohydrates. The later part will be discussed in the next video. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are biomolecules present in all living organisms. Carbohydrate means carbon and hydrate means water H2O. It means carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1. Means the general formula of carbohydrate is CnH2nON. CnH2nON or Cn whole n of H2O. Okay. N is compounds having carbon number n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 7 are considered as carbohydrates because these compounds show the property of carbohydrates. Okay, this was the introduction of carbohydrates, but what is the definition of carbohydrates? This one. Carbohydrates are aldehyde or ketone derivatives of polyhydroxy alcohol. Look at the term polyhydroxy alcohols. All knows that alcohols are hydroxyl groups, OH groups. This is the only alcoholic hydroxy group. But if any compound has multiple hydroxyl groups, these are known as polyhydroxyl alcohols. Means this one. COH, OH, OH. These have 3 hydroxyl group. Means these compounds means this compound is polyhydroxy alcohol. Okay, carbohydrates are polyhydroxy alcohols, but these are derivatives of polyhydroxy alcohols. Which derivatives? Aldehyde or ketone. First, we discuss about what are aldehydes. Aldehydes are those compounds which have C double bond O, R and H. Okay. Ketone are compounds which have C double bond O, R, R. Okay. Means aldehyde and ketones are formed after oxidation of hydroxyl groups or reduction of acids. But in this case, if any hydroxyl group is oxidized, then aldehyde or ketone is formed. Aldehyde is formed after oxidation of first hydroxyl group. Okay, means aldehyde group is always present and first carbon on carbohydrates, polyhydroxy alcohols. Okay, and ketones are present, ketonic group is present on second carbon. Okay, means in carbohydrates are polyhydroxy alcohols, and these polyhydroxy alcohols are derivatized into aldehyde or ketone group. Carbohydrates are aldehyde or ketone derivatives. Only ketone group is present on a single carbohydrate. Both cannot be found on a single group. Okay. This is the classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are generally classified into 3 categories: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. What is saccharide? This classification is based on saccharide units, number of saccharide units or number of sugar units. Saccharide unit or sugar unit. What is sugar unit? This one, CnH2nON. N is equal to 3 to N is equal to 7. This is a sugar unit, or this is a saccharide. If any carbohydrate contains only one sugar unit, then this is known as monosaccharide. If these have 2 to 10 sugar units, these sugar units are bound to each other, then these are known as oligosaccharides. If these have more than 10 sugar units, then these known as polysaccharides. Okay, sugar units are bound together with the help of glycosidic bond. This is very important. Generally it is asked in competitive exams, which bond is present between carbohydrates, or which bond is present between sugar units. Glycosidic linkage or glycosidic bond. Okay, monosaccharides are further classified on the basis of number of carbon. I already told you the general formula of monosaccharide is CnH2nOn. Okay, because this is the simplest sugar. Monosaccharides are simplest carbohydrates. The general formula is CnH2nOn, where n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, on the basis of number of carbon, if there are carbon number 3 are present, C3H6O3, the sugar is known as the trio sugar. Okay, if n is equal to 4, the formula will be C4H8O4, and this monosaccharide is called as tetrose sugar. If C5H10O5, then pentose sugar. If C6H12O6, then it is known as hexose sugar. Or if there are 7 carbon are present in monosaccharides, then formula will be C7H14O7, and this monosaccharide is known as heptose sugar. Okay, this is the classification of monosaccharides on the basis of number of carbon. But monosaccharides are further classified on the basis of functional group into two groups, aldose sugar or ketone sugar. I told you at any carbohydrate has aldehyde or ketone group. Only one group is present. If carbohydrate monosaccharide is derivative of aldehyde derivative, then it is known as aldose sugar, or it is keto derivative, then it is known as keto sugar. Aldehyde group is present on the carbon number 1 always, and ketone group is present on carbon number 2 always. Okay, if any we take any simple example. So this is the simplest carbohydrate, CC3H6O3. I am explaining it with the structure 1, 2, 3. In trio sugar, there are carbon number 3. This is carbon number 1. This is carbon number 2. This is carbon number 3. Okay. If we make the structure of aldose sugar of trio sugar, means aldehyde group is present on carbon number 1. Aldehyde group means C double bond O, H, and this one is R for this. Okay, and remaining are hydroxyl group. Remaining valencies of carbon are occupied by hydrogen. Sorry, this is already occupied by 4 hydrogen. This is also hydrogen, and one more, this is hydrogen. This is the aldose sugar of trio sugar. Okay, in similar way we can make the structure of keto sugar of trio sugar. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Keto group is always present on carbon number 2. This is the alkyl group. This is also R group. Okay, remaining are OH, and this is also hydroxyl group. Remaining bond will be occupied by hydrogen. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Count the carbon number 1. We will make the formula 1, 2, 3. C3 H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 H6, 1, 2, 3 O3. C3 H6 O3. Okay, this is the aldose sugar of trio sugar, and this is the keto sugar of trio sugar. You can also count the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 3 C3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S6, 1, 2, 3, O3. Okay, the general formula is same, C3H6O3, but chemical structures are different of these two both. Okay, compounds having similar molecular formula but different chemical structures are known as isomers. Means aldo sugars and ketone sugars of similar carbon number are always isomers. The example of aldo sugar of trio sugar is glyceraldehyde. Or ketone sugar is dihydroxyacetone. Means this is the structure of glyceraldehyde. This is the structure of dihydroxyacetone. You can make the structures of other carbohydrates and do practice to make the structure. It is very important for basics of carbohydrates. The example of tetrose aldo sugar is erythrose. Pentetrose keto sugar is erythrulose. Pentose keto sugar, there are two examples I have mentioned, ribose and xylose. Ribulose and xylulose are keto sugar or pentose sugar. Glucose, this is mannose, not maltose. MANNOSE. Okay, glucose, mannose and galactose. I have shown three structures, three names, three examples of hexose aldo sugars, and fructose is the example of keto sugar in hexose group. Okay, pseudohaptulose is also there. This is also keto sugar of haptose. Are you thinking where are two examples or why are three examples? Yeah, these have similar molecular formula, similar functional group, aldehyde group. These two have similar functional group, but there is a difference in their structure in the arrangement of OH and H. Generally, OH are present on right side and H are present on left side. But in some cases, in some structures, OH is present in left side and H is present on right side. On the basis of these differences, there are different names. Okay. Then oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are made up of 2 to 10 sugar units. If there are 2 sugar units, then these are known as disaccharides. If 3, trisaccharides, 4, tetrasaccharides, and so on. Okay. Among oligosaccharides, disaccharides are the commonest. Okay. Examples I have shown 3 examples of disaccharides: maltose, lactose, and sucrose. Maltose is made up of 2 units of glucose. Lactose is made up of 1 unit of glucose and 1 unit of galactose. Sucrose is made up of 1 unit of glucose and 1 unit of fructose. And these sugar units are bound together with the help of glycosidic bond. Okay. We will discuss later in my next video about these monosaccharides and polysaccharides in detail. Also, properties of monosaccharides will be discussed in next video. Polysaccharides are made up of more than 10 sugar units. Means more than, these may be 100, 1000, 10,000 sugar units are bound together with the help of glycosidic bond and form a rigid structure, complex structure, that is known as polysaccharide. On the basis of type of sugar units, polysaccharides are classified into 2 groups: homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Homo means similar, hetero means different. Means in homopolysaccharides, all sugar units are similar. Means all are made up of glucose or all are made up of any compound is made up of only glucose or only mannose, only ribose, only erythrose, only fructose. For example, starch, glycogen, cellulose. These are examples of homopolysaccharides. In my next video, I will discuss their structures in detail. Their structures and their function, their abundance, their presence. In heteropolysaccharides, sugar units are different. Maybe some glucose or some fructose, some glucose, some mannose, some fructose, some erythrulose, or the most important, with carbohydrates or with sugar units, non-carbohydrates compound are also present. Non-carbohydrate compounds means maybe lipid, maybe protein, or maybe any other compound. For example, in glycolipids, glyco term is related to carbohydrate always. There is a term gluco. Gluco is related to glucose and glyco is related to carbohydrates. These are made up of carbohydrates and lipids. Means lipids are also present in carbohydrates. This is heteropolysaccharides. Glycoprotein. Proteins are also present with carbohydrates. Chitin. Do you remember about chitin? Chitin is made up of, sorry, uh, chitin is the important component of fungal cell wall. Okay, so this was the classification of carbohydrates. There are some examples of monosaccharides like glyceraldehyde, dihydroxyacetone with examples, the number of carbon, name and examples. Okay, do practice to make structures of all carbohydrates which are shown in this hexose, glucose, mannose, galactose, and in pentose, ribose, and this fructose. Ribose, glucose, mannose, galactose, and fructose. You should know the structure of these compounds. Okay, so start your practice now. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, then press the like button, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.